Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for covering mortgage payments. To begin with, dividend break-even income means the point where your dividend income becomes enough to cover a specific financial goal. In this example, the goal is to cover monthly mortgage payments using dividend income from an investment portfolio. First, you need to define your goal. Let's say your monthly mortgage payment is $1,500. Since dividend income is often calculated yearly, we convert this monthly amount into an annual income goal. So, we multiply $1,500 by 12 months. This gives us $18,000 per year. That means your portfolio needs to generate about $18,000 in annual dividend income to cover your mortgage payments. Next, you need to estimate your dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much dividend income your portfolio pays compared to its total value. The formula is annual dividends divided by portfolio value. For a diversified dividend portfolio, a realistic long-term average yield may be around 3% to 5%. After that, we calculate the required portfolio value. The formula is simple. Required portfolio value equals annual income goal divided by dividend yield. For example, if your annual income goal is $18,000 and your average dividend yield is 4%, then you divide $18,000 by 0.04. This gives a required portfolio value of $450,000. Therefore, at a 4% average dividend yield, you would need approximately $450,000 invested to generate $1,500 per month, or $18,000 per year, in dividend income to cover your mortgage payment. Now, let's compare how the required portfolio value changes with different dividend yields. At a 3% dividend yield, you would need about $600,000. At a 3.5% yield, you would need around $514,286. At a 4% yield, the required portfolio value is $450,000. At a 4.5% yield, you would need about $400,000. And at a 5% yield, the required amount becomes $360,000. As you can see, the lower the dividend yield, the higher the portfolio value needed. On the other hand, the higher the dividend yield, the lower the required portfolio value becomes. However, it is important to avoid chasing extremely high yields, because they may come with higher risk, unstable payouts, or possible dividend cuts. For this reason, it is better to focus on quality dividend-paying companies, ETFs, or REITs with consistent dividend growth. Diversifying across sectors and asset classes can also help reduce risk and make your dividend income more stable over time. In addition, taxes, inflation, market conditions, lifestyle costs, and dividend changes can affect your actual results. So these numbers should be treated as estimates, not guaranteed income. Finally, to grow your dividend income over time, you can reinvest dividends, add new money regularly, let compounding work, and review and rebalance your portfolio. With patience, consistency, and smart planning, dividend income can become a helpful tool for supporting your future home payments. So, the key takeaway is this. If your monthly mortgage payment is $1,500, you need $18,000 per year in dividend income. At a 4% average dividend yield, your dividend break-even portfolio target is approximately $450,000. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.